Hi, my name is Izhaan, and I'm gonna learn about dairy cows, like every single cow. Okay, this is a pregnant mom cow, and she's gonna give birth to her baby. And these are Highland cows, and they are so comfy. And one is a baby one, and one is and this is milk which cows make, and you'll see me holding. And this is me holding the cow's milk, which one we drink a lot. It's because they are very healthy. It's because the cows have made them. And this is me drinking Active milk. It's because it's so tasty, and it's made out of milk too. And cows make butter too. Look at the butter, like it's yellow, and that's what they make. And also, dairy cows also make ice cream and to sell. And then you need to sell, and they make yogurt too, like dairy cows every single day. And this is chocolate, which one they made too. And bye. Good to see you again.